Hey folks, this is NMD Box Brace coming back to you again with another SP Authentic 2016-17 hockey. This is box review number 4, so I'm going to crack this one open and see what I get. You can find us at NMD Box Breaks on Facebook and NMD Box Breaks on YouTube. After I break these, I will, as this is recorded, I will upload them to YouTube and you get to watch them all. And remember, just to subscribe to both Facebook and YouTube as the more and more I break. All right, here we go. Let's start cracking it open. 18 packs in a box. Hopefully I get a nice Austin Matthews or a Lion, even a Kachuk. Would be nice. If you watch the past videos, I got some good photographs. Like I said, I'm going to put some of this stuff up on eBay to be sold, so check it out. NMD Box Breaks. All right, so there's pack number 1. Fleury, Giroux, Marian Hossa, Authentic Moments. I don't consider those hits, so I just consider the autographs and the insert Silver Skates and any Young Guns as hits for these boxes. Sedin, Connor McDavid again. Update of Brandon Peary for the Rangers. So hopefully we get a monster hit here. Eichel, Spectrum, Boone Jenna, autograph. Wow, those are nice. I never saw one of these before. Boone Jenna. Boone Jenna. Spectrum Auto. Yeah, these are not nice. So if they're all autographed, that's pretty cool. Um, so that's a nice hit. Jimmy Vesey. Silver Skates. Usually the autographs come right behind each other, so hopefully we get something really big. Well, I really like that Boone Jenna. Bobby Orr Spectrum. Very nice. Nice. That was autographed. Bobby Orr Spectrum. If you got any patches or anything, I'll put it to the side. Make it the last thing. Make this last a little longer. Future Watch. Jamie Benn, Pacioretty, Landeskog, Larkin, and Charlie Lindgren. Future Watch. Montreal. So the 2 autographs so far. Jenna Spectrum and Lindgren Future Watch. Hopefully there's a third one. Wow. Wow. Look at this. Hold on. I gotta get a That's crazy stuff. That's really nice. We got a Future Watch RPA Mikhail Sergachev of the Montreal Canadiens. I'm looking at this as 45 out of 100, right? Yeah, 45 of 100. Mikhail, that's beautiful cards, man. A little dinged up on the red over here, but a little ding. Wow. That would have been something if that was Austin Matthews, huh? But we'll take that. Mikhail Sergachev, Future Watch Auto Patch. Look how filthy the patch is. Three color, little red in there, blue, and the white. 45 out of 100. That's sick. Those are the three autos. Well, I hope I can entertain you with the rest of the packs because that came out of the chute pretty quick. And like I said, it's going to be just, base update. Another season highlights, Tuukka Rask. Like I said, check out NMD box breaks on eBay because this was all will be up there. Young Guns coming up. Joseph Cramarosa for the Anaheim Ducks. But like we get another. How about another Getzel? I already got one of them out of the last 2 boxes ago. Let's get another one of those. Gary Price. So much came out of that box so fast, so it's tough to, to be excited about the rest of the box. But Victor Stolberg, Silver Skates, Mitch Marner. That's a nice one. See if I can get the focus. Mitch Marner, Silver Skates. Some of these autographed too. All right, 6 more packs. Maybe this is a hot box. Connor McDavid. Authentic Moments. Five more packs. Lucic, Thornton, Korakopsky for the Stars update. Austin Matthews. Austin Matthews. Authentic notes. 3 more packs. Another Future Watch, and there's it looks like a Toronto Maple Leaf. I thought I saw I gotta wait to the end. I thought it was. I saw like the color of his elbow. Oh boy. If this was a young gun too. Look at this. Oh my. Look at this. Jake Gensel. Oh God. I wish I. Unbelievable. Unreal. This has just been insane, this box. I gotta do this recap. This is gonna be. Let's go to this pack and go back to the other one. Yeah, one to the left hand side. But I saw another, looks like a Spectrum card. I hope it's not a base card, you know. Koivu, Vodka, and Johnny Tavares. Silver Skates. I love this. This one. It's a nice set, Silver Skates. So if you're out there and you want to collect that, it's a nice little sub-insert set. And let me get back to this. This is the Jenna again. Ovechkin. There we go, folks. Future Watch of Brandon Lip. It's a level 3 though. No, level 1. Right? It was a Maple Leaf. So the 3 I just thought it would be, just really thought that would be Austin Matthews. But Brandon Lipsick, not bad. All right, folks. Well, thank you for watching. NMD, like Nancy Mary David. NMD Box Breaks on YouTube. Subscribe, please. Share it with everybody. NMD Box Breaks groups and NMD Box Breaks. There's a page with a store on it that's being developed. And I will come back, leave a message, join the groups, and then leave a message what you'd like to see broken up. And maybe you can join some breaks because I'll be posting some RAS also of cards and breaks that you can join on the Facebook page. You can grab your spots there. So thank you again, and I'll talk to you soon on the next break.